Another video with Jetset Plumbing here. We've just come to a block drain. The customer has shown signs of a severe blockage in their sewer. So what we're going to do first is we've found the inspection opening up the right hand side of the house, and we're going to put the camera down first to see if we can see what's going on as the drain has slowly drained away. So it's more of a partial blockage, I believe. But we'll put the camera down and we'll have a look and come along for the ride. Locate where that blockage is. Yeah, so I've pushed down to the blockage about 15 metres down. Yep. I can't get through it, so we'll just chuck the high pressure hose down there and get it cleared and have a look at what it is. Can't see because it's all water and just black, so we'll be able to see once we clear it though. You want to just go flush both your toilets?
Yeah.
I reckon that's where your problem was there. See how you got that lip?
Oh, yep.
Catching?
Yep.
And then if you have a look over here, that's how far the pipe's supposed to be pushed into that fitting.
Yeah, right.
It's only just pushed in.
No tree roots, though?
Won't be. It doesn't look like there's any tree roots growing through yet.
Yep. Is that where it divides out the front? Goes in
I think that's where it starts shooting across the driveway.
the driveway,
Because we come back.
Is it?
Because you can see all that paper there as well.
Yeah.
That looks like a junction. There was another joint back here. Oh no, that's it. So
Is there all paper stuff there?
it's catching.
Yeah.
Because that'll be a junction.
Yeah.
That's because what you have to do is you have to put an IO on any change of degrees over 45.
Yeah, right.
So they would have just used a junction there as an inspection point to dig it up. Stupid. Yeah. They should always bring them to surface.
Yeah, right.
But there's potential, because a lot of times the roots grow through the screw-on cap because it's just a rubber ring, they don't glue them on. So there could potentially have been, it's hard to say, some strings of roots growing through there, and when I've gone through that it's just blasted them out.
Yeah.
But then so you got that one and then this one here, like that's bad.
Yeah.
How that's been installed. That is always going to catch paper, that sharp lip.
Yeah.
And that there is going to catch paper as well, and anything else that goes down the drain, like even that
big bit of glue.
Yeah, the big bit of glue there is going to catch stuff as well. So
yeah.
I'll just go and locate exactly where this is.
Yeah.
I'll just turn this machine off. So the first one 45 and then that way to pick up all the other drain. It'll go across that way and then down, yeah, pick up that one with the junction. But from going off where I got the camera to, it was blocking on that second bend. So, but that looks pretty horrible the way it is. So yeah, just depends. Like, I personally would look at getting that sleeved, because what we can do, because that junction's useless, because it's just the inspection point, it's under concrete, we're never going to use it. What we might be able to do is put a 2 meter sleeve in there and get both of those bends and create that new sweeping section there, and then that gets those two pieces, which were probably the issues, out of the way, and then go from there. What I'll do though is I'll just quickly chuck the camera down and just check through to the council as well, because most of the time that's where the problems occur, down the front there.
All good, mate.
We'll check that, and then yeah, we'll come up with that and try to get that booked in and sorted for you. Perfect.
No worries.
So we've had a result. We've cleared the drain, and as you can see here on our camera, these fittings here are not pushed together properly, which is not only going to cause a break, as you can see just there, that's all going to get caught with paper and cause a blockage of anything that goes down the drain. Rough corner there. Then you come back up here, they've used a junction as a 45 bend, which is a spot for roots to grow in through here. So what we're planning to do is install a 2 meter sleeve, which will go down inside the drain there, stop us from digging up all this nice concrete here, and it'll go down the drain, create a new drain from here all the way through past the bends, which eliminates that. Comes with a 25-year guarantee, and we'll come back every year for 25 years and check that out and make sure that not only the sleeve is held in place, but the remainder of the drain is in good working condition. So thanks for coming along with us today on clearing this block sewer. Don't be afraid to chuck up a like and hit that bell for the subscription, and we'll come to you with another video when we in the next one. So thanks for coming along, and Howie the goat with another Jetset Plumbing instructional. Thanks guys.